My name is Brad Smith. I'm with First Choice Lock and Security. I'm the owner there, and we are located at 1056 Matheson Street in Janesville, Wisconsin. First Choice Lock and Security was started back in 2005. I was working for the state of Wisconsin at the time as a locksmith, and we had just had our fourth son. I just needed to make more money. I quit my job working for the state, and I started my own security business, and I actually launched it at the Rock County 4-H Fair. Electronic security and system integration. We integrate alarm systems with access control and fire alarm systems with elevators and things of that nature to bring a product that comes to life for the customer. And they're hard jobs to do, but we love doing them, and it's our expertise. When we first started out, I was just working as a sole locksmith by myself, and I thought this would be a great way to support my family. And then I learned very quickly that this region was saturated with locksmiths at the time, and that I had to do something different. And one thing led to another, and before I knew it, I was installing home security systems. I started installing commercial alarm systems, and from there it went into access control and fire alarm systems, and we kind of followed the flow of the market. In the past 10 years, we've actually acquired 2 other security businesses, and it's really helped our business to grow and explode. Now we provide service all the way to Kenosha and Racine, up to Madison, and over as far as Monroe. I was working kind of a great factory job. It was third shift from 6 to 6, and it was a swing shift, and we just had a newborn baby at home, and it was really tough to sleep. I was a bear to live with, and my wife said, "You gotta get a day job." So we opened up the phone book and started going through the yellow pages, and I got to locksmith, and it intrigued me. I interviewed for the position, and about an hour later, they called me and said, "When can you start?" I took a job with a $7 pay cut to go to days, but it worked out in the end because I learned a trade. We customize services for our customer, no matter what the service is. We pay close attention to the customer's needs, their environment that they're in, and we really treat them like they're a part of our family. The perfect client for us would be a commercial account. Someone who is a family-owned business, who's looking for honest and reputable company, who's local, who can come in and get a great deal with a handshake, have a face to see when they're out at the supermarket or outdoor event here in Janesville. We're local and we're family-owned. Growing up in a small town, when we left the house, we knew everybody, and our parents let us know that, and they said, "Be on your best behavior." And I brought that to a bigger city when I moved away from home, is just get to know everybody and be myself, be who we really are, honest, trustworthy, loyal, kind. All those things are printed on our work vans. We want to be a light to those people and let them know that we care. What sets us apart, I feel, is our experience. When I first started, I was working with guys who had over 100 years of locksmith experience combined, and it really was an apprenticeship. I mean, I did schooling as well, but I got to work out in the field with those guys, and I learned some of the old school stuff, but I was still young enough where I was able to easily transition into electronic security as well, and if it had a wire, I wasn't afraid of it. I feel like I'm right in the perfect time of life where I'm just old enough to know the old school stuff, but I also know all the fancy gadgetry. We've got a showroom, a beautiful showroom that people can come into and see us, and we're not just some website or some guy who shows up in a van. There's a place that you can come in and talk to us. What makes us who we are, I would say too, is our staff. I can't do it alone. Although I work a lot, I need help doing what we're doing, and to have great people around you is probably the best asset that I've had in this business.